Hi everyone, welcome back to Genius Junkie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Canva, a fantastic online design tool. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. To create a new design, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and select it from the drop-down menu. Canva will open a new design page with the correct dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720 pixels. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with several options: templates, elements, uploads, photos, text, and more. Start by exploring the Templates tab to find a pre-designed layout that suits your needs. Click on a template to apply it to your design. You can customize every aspect of the template, so feel free to change the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand or video content. If you want to use your own images, click on the Uploads tab and upload files from your computer. You can then drag and drop these uploads onto your design canvas. Position and resize them as needed. To add text, click on the Text tab and choose from a variety of text styles. Click on the text box to edit the content and customize the font, size, color, and alignment to make your title stand out. Remember, your thumbnail should be clear and readable, even at a small size, so use bold fonts and contrasting colors. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose PNG for the best quality and click Download to save the file to your computer. Now you have a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail ready to upload to your video. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create a stunning YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.